Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a 3-ingredient slime. So join me and let's get started. Thank you guys for joining me here today, and I hope you enjoyed this easy slime recipe video. And if you could just like, comment, and subscribe, that would mean the world to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video.